Hey everybody, Phil from No Code Ops here, joined by, first of all, my daughter Isabel, who really wanted to be on this call. She loves no code, even at 1 month old. And Jonathan Anderson, who's the co-founder and CEO of Candu. Hey Jonathan,
Hey, thanks for having me.
good to have you. So for Candu, can you walk us through the situation that would lead someone up to having like their first aha moment in your product?
Yeah, so Candu is a no-code web builder, but we don't try to create the entire website. All we do is let you cut out a little piece of your product, drag in the right UI blocks, and then inject it into an existing website. So the use case is that you have a website, you want to make an update, and you don't want to have to code anything. That's it.
Awesome. So I know at Compass we run into this all the time, right? Where I like say I'm on the ops team and I want to code something that's like on the actual core product, but not actually the core product. And I know I can't get in there because I'll break things. So
Totally.
this is
Yeah.
a great use case for something like that, either like a banner pop up or like onboarding steps or something like that for the users, correct?
Exactly.
Awesome.
Yeah. Go ahead.
No, please.
I was going to say we're really good for things that are iterative. So like an onboarding checklist, hey, I just realized a user wants to add a new step. That's a great use case for us. Or things that are kind of temporary. So like an announcement bar, I could show you as well, which is like, hey, you don't need that forever. But if you have a new event coming up, it's probably a good time to start advertising it on your website.
Amazing. Yeah, would love to dive in and take a look.
Cool. All right, I'm going to share with you our editor first. It should be really easy and really recognizable. Everything is drag and droppable. So this is the idea that you can, head over to a layout. Maybe you want to add a column. Maybe you don't. Maybe that looks terrible because you want to take it away. But it should be all super easy and fun to play around with, including adding things like buttons, for example. And once you're happy with your content, let's move this to January. You can go ahead and publish, and then add it into any website. So in this case, we're on No Code Ops.
Oh, look at that.
The stunning website. And we want to add a new event, no problem. All you would have to do is go down to grab that announcement bar, and then you can inject it into the page.
Amazing.
Amazing.
And I'm assuming you have like some way to monitor and control brand guidelines so that your branding team is happy when you're making these micro changes. Yeah.
Yeah, for sure. So everything that we create is kind of brand consistent. So you set up your colors once, and then from then on out, they flow through. If I'm being totally honest, all anyone really cares about is color, font, buttons. You can do the full gamut of things with Candu, but usually that'll get you most of the way.
The roundness of the corners, very
important. Very important. Yeah, for sure.
I love it. And my last question for you is: so let's talk about like events being triggered from the site. How would Candu interact with those events?
So because Candu is embedded into the page, we can actually read all of the user properties for any kind of user that experiences Candu content, and we can actually use that information to actually swap out that component. So, for example, if someone had already registered for that event, you could then say, thank you for registering when they come to the page.
Love it
as well. Yeah.
Cool. Well, Jonathan, thanks so much for being the first, aha moment demo that we're having at No Code Ops, and looking forward to talking with you more and rooting for your success.
Thanks for letting me be your first guinea pig. I appreciate it.
No problem.